Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Abhigya Salesforce Real-Time Scenarios series. Before we begin today's section, I have an exciting announcement. I am officially launched my Salesforce Flows Automation Master on Udemy. So here is the our course. So now it is available for the limited offer. Use to the coupon code to the new course 26. You can use by the this coupon to so you can avail to the offer price. This course link is available in the video description. Don't miss this opportunity to the master Salesforce course automation with the real world project and industry use cases. Okay, don't miss to this one offer and come back to the our use case. Let's today we are going to discussing about to the agent prompt builder use case. How we are going to implemented by this use case we can see. So use case is the users need to view the account information while working on opportunity instead of the navigating to the related account record and reviewing to the all information, right, like details of the account details manually. So we can provide to the AI generated summary directly onto the record page on the opportunity record page. So this prompt builder we can able to generate the account summary with using to the screen flows. We are going to display the account summary onto the screen flows. This solution await to the generated account summary without to leaving to the opportunity record page. This will improve to the productivity and provide the quick action to the most important account information. Okay, now in this tutorial, we will implement this solution step by step, covering to the everything from the prompt builder and configure to the screen flows integration. So let's come to the our Salesforce arc. So here is the prompt builder. In this setup, you are going to select by the prompt builder. Then click on to the new prompt builder. Let's take it by the here. We are going to take it by the our prompt template name. So account summary on opportunity record page. We are giving the naming. So now here we are going to give it by the inputs is the optional, but we can give it by the input. Why? Because means we need to pass it by the account information to the this particular input variable. So now here, let's take it by the here opportunity account variable object source type is the we are keeping to the object and object API name is our object name. We are going to select to the here account. So account data type we are passing to the data to the this particular variable. Okay. Now click on to the next. So here now we are going to provide to the our prompt. In this prompt based to we can generate it by this summary. So here we need to construct it by the our prompt. So here is the our prompt. So already I prepared for the prompt. Let's copy to this, paste it by the here. So here you are the Salesforce CRM assistant. Your task is the generated the professional and concise summary of the account record using the provided the Salesforce data. We are taking the OPP account to write that variable. We are storing to the account record information. Based on that, we need to provide it by the brief overview of the account. So included by the which fields information we need account name, industry, type, rating, annual revenue. These are all the types of the fields. So if any extra fields, we can able to add it by the other fields also be the here. So here is the next step is the instruction. This is the very important. We need to give it to the proper instruction to the prompt builder. Then it will be the generated to the uh, prompt information with the clearly. Okay, so use clear and business friendly language only. don't relevant information, it's not present into the record. If it is not by the not available any record information, so we can ignore that if it is not there. And if it is field empty also, we can omit it. So here this point is the information. If it is not present in the record, we can no need to display any fields information also be not be there. We can omit to that one. And summary between to the 150 and to 250 words only. Okay, 150 to or 250 words. Okay, so this is the here we need to give it. Then let's save this. Our prompt is the ready. Now let's save this. It is successfully saved by the template. Let's preview this one. So edge communication already we are aware of, right? Account. So let's preview this. So result the prompt here appear by the information like this. What we are giving the format, that format, account name, industry, rating, annual revenue, employees, and billing country. Based on this, it will be the generated by the summary like this. Edge communication is the electronic company operating as the customers in the direct. So this account is the related to the heart and revenue supported by like this. So like this, it will be the provided by the summary of that particular account. So user no need to go to by the account and do check it by the fields information simply to understand the account behavior. Now let's save this one. Already we have saved, right? Let's activate this. So it is the activated. Now this prompt builder, we are going to access to the in the screen flows. We are going to display this summary, right? So come to the here in this setup. So search by the flows. So click on to the new flow. So let's choose to the screen flow. In the screen flow, we are going to get it by the opportunity information first, then opportunity record account information. We need to get it. Get records, get opportunity. Let's take it by the opportunity. So here record ID means opportunity ID equals to we are taking by one resource current page record ID. We need to hold it now. So that's why here we are taking by the new resource variable record ID text. It is the storing by the current page opportunity record ID available for input. Okay, this is the available for input. Then we can store the current page opportunity record ID. We are storing into the in this. Click on done. So now here we no need to for the all the fields information, specific fields we can choose it now. So here ID will be the come and we need to the account ID. No need to get it by all the opportunity record information. This is the account ID information is the fine. We can need to the account record information. Okay. Now let's save this up to here first. So here screen flow SF. Okay, we are going to give it by the screen flow SF underscore account to summary on opportunity record page. So click on save. So now we are getting by the account ID. Then we are going to get it by the account information. Now we are going to get it by the account information. So here get account, get the account information. So account, like here account ID equals we are getting from the opportunity, right? So let's go to the here get records in this account ID. We are getting the account record ID. So we are getting by the account record ID information. Then here we are getting by the account record information. Okay, so we can get it by the, all the fields information, store the record information, all those we can keep it to the as it is. So click on save. So some of the account, some of the opportunities may not be the account is the associated, right? So that's why here we have to take it by the one decision. So here account decision we are taking. So account associated or opportunity account is the available. Simply to take it by the account is the available. So account available. Available the account. Let's select by the here resource in the opportunity account ID. So is null false. Is null false. Is null false means in the opportunity account is the data is the available. Okay, in the opportunity object account is the available. Is null false means it is the we have the data is the available. Account is the available. So then come to the it is when it is the available, we are going to get it by the account information. Otherwise, no need to execute it by the this get account, right? So now after getting by the account information, now we are going to call it by the our prompt builder. So here we can choose it to the action. Here we can choose it by the action. In this action, we are going to call it by the our prompt builder. So our prompt builder is the account summary on record page, right? On opportunity record page. This is the our prompt builder. So let's click on to the here account summary on the record page prompt builder. Okay. So prompt builder PB we are going to give it, otherwise we can skip this. Now here this is the opportunity account, right? Earlier we are testing time we are giving to the edge communication now here. So now we are going to pass it by the our account information. What we are getting the account record. So here we are going to give it to the account information. Account from the get account record information. While testing time manually we are giving by the here, right? We are passing to the our data to the manually, then based on this it will be the displayed by the information here. Now we are passing to the dynamically to the here. So after getting the this prompt to response, we need to display into the in this screen. So that's why here we are going to take it by the one screen. So here prompt to builder response or account summary. Simply to say, we can give it by the account summary. So header, we have to display to the this one. So let's take it to the here header. We can remove this SF account, something it is showing now. We can, this screen is the account summary. Now in this display text, account summary text. So here we are going to display by the information, account summary. So let's take it by the some font size is the 18, or if it is the very big means go to the 16, bold, underline. So now let's give it by the our response. So here click on to the insert. So our actions is the this one. So output from the prompt builder. So prompt to response. We are going to select by the prompt to response. Click on to the prompt to response. Here will be the provided by the prompt to response without to going to the um, account record and check it by the information. Instead of that, we can just display by the account summary here. So this will be the return to the summary of the or response from the prompt. So here is the response, right? Generated response. This will be the display to the in the screen now. So let's come to the here in the bottom. We no need to display by the finish buttons, pause buttons. So here hide next button, hide pause button. Okay. So click on done, click on save. So before activating this, as per the best practice, we need to debug, right? Click on to the debug. So here opportunity record ID, we need to pass it. Let's come to the any one of the opportunity record. So I'm going to select by the standard opportunity for testing purpose. I created the couple of the other also, right? So this is the one of the um, opportunity and associated to the, this particular account. So click on to the here. Now this is the uh, opportunity card ID. So let's save. Click on to the run. So it is executed from the prompt builder. It takes some time to display by the information. See here, account summary. Here we have to display by the here like this. So account summary of the this particular account and classified to the here what is the annual revenue and employees information, billing country, this one. So this is the proper summary information provided to the user. Okay, now let's save this. Before saving to this, so this is the executed when the account record information is the available only. Otherwise, it will not be the displayed. So click on activate. Now let's come to the same opportunity. In this, we have the account ID is the associated. So click on to the gear symbol, click on to the edit page. Now choose to the flows. So flow depends upon the business requirement where you want, you can add it by that particular place. So I'm going to give it to the under this process. Okay. Now here we can choose it to the here SF screen flow, right? We are going to give it by the our name. And here must be the pass to the current page record ID. Pass the record page ID. Then only we can able to executed the flow. Otherwise, flow will not be the executed. Why? Because record ID is the not available, right? So passing to the current page record ID here. Click on save. Click on activate. So we are activating to the here. So yeah, default assign to the default or okay. So default. So now it is SN. Okay. So then back to the here. So here loading, see now. So account summary, it is provided by the like this. So here account rating, sorry, account summary, account is the here, this is operating to the appeal industry and customer type is the customer direct and account rating is the warm, annual revenue this and employees this, billing country is the. So they are not going to the particular account and check it by the whole account information. Instead of that, we can simply provide it by the account summary to the here. So they can easy to preview to the summary. Let's go to the some any other account. Let's come back to the accounts. Let's take it by the ed communication. So these are all the information. Let's go to the related opportunity. Then we can easy to get it by the summary. Click on the any one of the opportunity record. See here, now it is provided by the edge communication account information like this. So edge communication is the electronic industry. What is what total information here provided to the in the opportunity record page. So like this, we can able to achieve by the our requirement. Initially, we have created by the one prompt builder, and here prompt is the very important. Based on that only, it will return to the response. Okay, give it by the proper prompt information. Then after this prompt, we can invoke to the from the flows. So depends upon the requirement, we are going to use it to the screen flows or record triggered flows. As for this use case, we are going to display the summary, account summary on the opportunity record page. So that's why here we have to take it by the screen flow. And here we have to display the information onto the screen. So finally, this one we are adding into the opportunity record page. Then it will appear by the information. This will be the appear by the information. Okay, I hope it's clear how it was the implemented. Thank you.